Hey, happy Tuesday. All right, let's talk project. Today is the day. This week you are going to get to work. All right, first things first. You should know what the 3 paragraphs in your research paper are going to be. So they need to be topics within your research topic. So for example, kind of subtopics, I guess you would call them. You are going to write 3 solid paragraphs. What do I need by 3 solid paragraphs? Anywhere from 8 to 12 to 15 sentences on what you learned. So for example, if I was doing Japanese culture and that was my research topic, I might have 1 paragraph about a specific food that I learned about. I might have 1 paragraph about the history of origami. I might have 1 paragraph about their most important holiday. So I'm gonna have 3 paragraphs. Okay, think of them as narration right now. We're going to go back and talk about citation and how that looks. But right now, I want you to think of them as narration. I want you to go and write as much as you can remember. You can use your notes. You can use your Cornell notes. Go back to the research you did and write, summarize in your own words what you learned. Think of it as narration, each one of those topics. Okay, you can type these. You do not need to write them, but you are doing them yourself. This is not a group part of the project. You should be able to pull your Cornell notes and write me 3 solid paragraphs about your research. This is a skill that you need if you're going to college. You will do this in college over and over and over again. Your ability to research well and then to write a really specific project paper is part of going to college. So this is a skill. It's going to be hard this time around, but each time we do it, you're going to get a little bit better. So today, that's what you're working on, is you are starting to type all 3 of those paragraphs on those 3 topics. We will add an introduction, we will add a conclusion when it's all said and done, but we're not gonna worry about those right now. Right now, we're just gonna work on those 3 paragraphs. If you're not sure what those 3 paragraphs could be, that can be a discussion. You can talk with your group and ask them, what should those be? What are yours going to be? They should all be the same. In your group, you should all agree, okay, we're going to do the Japanese, most Japanese celebrated dish and origami and the history of origami and the most impactful holiday. Whatever those 3 topics are, everyone's should be the same, but you are not writing them together. Everybody's paper should sound, it might be the content might be similar because you're all research the same thing, but it's your writing, it's your voice, it's your narration. You should be narrating those 3 paragraphs yourself. How are you doing that? In your folder on Google Docs, you should open up your own document. It should have your name on it, and you are writing your 3 paragraphs. You are working on that today, and you are working on that tomorrow, and it needs to be done by tomorrow. So you have 2 days to have 3 paragraphs done for your project.